What's the meaning of black marketeer? Black marketeer. Black marketeer.
Black marketeer. Black marketeer. A black marketeer is a person who operates in the illegal trade of goods or services. They may sell items that are forbidden by law, counterfeit goods, or stolen merchandise. These individuals typically operate outside of government regulation and are often associated with criminal organizations. Black markets can emerge when there is high demand for certain goods that are not readily available through legitimate channels, or when government laws or regulations make it difficult to obtain such goods. The activities of black marketeers can have negative economic consequences, as they often undermine legitimate businesses and may cause prices to rise.